Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply glitter eyeshadow. The first step is to apply your eyeshadow including your eyeliner. Do not apply mascara or lashes until the very end. In this case, I'm using a peach color to use it as a color of transition in the crease of my eye. I apply then this eyeliner, which is the Lion King eyeliner by Makeup Revolution. Now you can spray the setting spray into the eyeshadow brush for 1 second or 1 pump. Immediately dip the eyeshadow brush into the loose glitter or the glitter on your eyeshadow palette, packing it on the brush. Take the brush and press the glitter into your eye until you have the amount of glitter you want. You can now finish the rest of your makeup including your lashes and other details. I won't do my lashes because I have lash extensions, but you can use mascara or you can also use fake lashes if you want. And I also use this nude liquid lipstick. Finally, be sure to use the setting spray all over your face, including over the glitter eyeshadow, and you're done. This is the before and this is the after.